Real estate investing, your path to financial freedom. Have you ever dreamed of achieving financial independence? I know I have. Picture this, a life where your money works for you, providing passive income and securing your future. Sounds amazing, right? That's the magic of real estate investing. It's a tried and true way to build wealth, create lasting financial security, and achieve your financial dreams. Just like my friend Sarah, who started with one rental property and now owns 10. This guide will break down the seemingly complex world of real estate investing into simple, actionable steps. Trust me, if I can do it, so can you. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in other investment forms, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to start your real estate investing journey. I remember feeling overwhelmed at first, but it gets easier. So, get ready to unlock the doors to financial freedom. Let's dive in together. So what exactly is real estate investing? Well, it's all about buying, holding, managing, and selling properties to make a profit. Think of it like this. Instead of putting your money into stocks or bonds, you're investing in something you can actually see and touch, like houses and buildings. These properties can bring in rental income, increase in value over time, and even offer some sweet tax benefits. Whether you're dreaming of a steady stream of passive income, aiming for long-term growth, or a mix of both, real estate investing can be a fantastic way to build your financial future. So let's dive in and see how you can start investing in real estate and make it work for you. Let's dive into the exciting world of real estate investments. Real estate investing offers a variety of options to match every investor's goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding the different types of real estate investments can help you make smart decisions and boost your returns. So, let's break down some of the most popular types of real estate investments. First up, rental properties. Think of single-family homes, apartments, or condos that you rent out to tenants for monthly income. This is perfect if you're looking for a steady stream of income and long-term appreciation. I remember my first rental property. It was a small apartment, and seeing that first rent check come in was incredibly satisfying. This strategy provides consistent cash flow and potential appreciation over time. Plus, rental properties can offer tax benefits like deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and maintenance expenses. Next, flipping houses. This involves buying undervalued properties, renovating or improving them, and selling them quickly for a profit. It's a more hands-on approach and can be quite lucrative if done correctly. I once flipped a house with a friend, and while it was a lot of work, the profit we made was well worth it. Then, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs let you invest in real estate without owning physical property. They're traded on major stock exchanges, making them a liquid investment option. It's like owning a piece of a big real estate pie without the hassle of managing properties. These companies own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. Investing in REITs can diversify your portfolio and provide regular dividend income. Lastly, commercial real estate. This includes office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial properties, offering potentially higher returns, but also higher risks. Investing in commercial real estate requires significant capital and a deep understanding of the market. I once considered investing in a small office building, but after some research, I realized it wasn't the right fit for me at the time. Choosing the right investment strategy depends on your financial goals, available capital, and risk appetite. It's crucial to do thorough research and maybe even consult with a financial advisor to find the best approach for your unique situation. Real estate investing can be incredibly rewarding, but it requires careful planning and consideration. Your first steps on the property ladder. Ready to dip your toes into real estate investing? It's like that first splash into a pool, exciting and a bit nerve-wracking. Let's start with the basics. Educate yourself. Think of it as prepping for a big adventure. Read books, attend seminars, and listen to podcasts. I remember my first seminar, it was eye-opening. Define your financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Are you after passive income, long-term growth, or quick profits? I once met an investor who turned a small budget into a thriving portfolio. Create a budget. Assess your finances, determine your budget, and explore financing options. Find a mentor. Connect with experienced real estate investors. My mentor once told me, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Remember, real estate investing is a journey. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Just like climbing a staircase, take it one step at a time. Let's dive into the art of finding the perfect property. Finding the right property is like finding the right partner. It's crucial for a successful investment. So, what should you consider? First, location, location, location. I remember when I was looking for my first property, I spent hours driving around different neighborhoods. Invest in areas with strong rental demand, job growth, and desirable amenities. Think about where you'd want to live if you were renting. Second, property condition. Inspect the property thoroughly. I once almost bought a house that looked perfect, but a closer inspection revealed major plumbing issues. Third, neighborhood analysis. Research the neighborhood's safety, schools, crime rates, and future development plans. I always check out local coffee shops and talk to residents to get a feel for the area. And finally, cash flow potential. Analyze the rental income potential, operating expenses, and potential for appreciation. I use a simple spreadsheet to keep track of all these numbers. Remember, thorough due diligence is essential to avoid costly mistakes and ensure a profitable investment. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Securing the keys to your investment is a huge milestone in your real estate journey. It's like opening the door to a new chapter filled with potential for growth and financial stability. Financing your real estate investment is a crucial step. Think of it like planning a road trip. You need to map out your route and make sure you have enough gas to get there. Let's talk about some common financing options. First up, mortgages. These are the go-to method for most people buying real estate. Mortgages are long-term loans from banks or financial institutions designed specifically for buying property. They usually come with fixed or variable interest rates and require a down payment. I remember when I got my first mortgage, it felt like a huge commitment, but also a big step forward. Next, we have hard money lenders. These are private lenders who offer short-term, high-interest loans. They're great for quick financing, especially for fix and flip projects. A friend of mine used a hard money lender to flip a house, and it was a game changer for him. Then, there are private money lenders. These are individuals who lend money based on the investment opportunity. They often have more flexible terms than traditional lenders. I once borrowed from a family friend to invest in a rental property, and it worked out really well for both of us. Lastly, partnerships. Pooling resources with other investors can be a powerful strategy. You share the financial burden and risks while benefiting from combined expertise and resources. I teamed up with a couple of friends to buy a multifamily property, and it was one of the best decisions we made. Take a good look at your financial situation, creditworthiness, and the terms of each financing option. Understanding the pros and cons will help you make an informed decision and secure the keys to your investment with confidence. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your real estate goals. Navigating the waters of real estate investing can be tricky. Let's dive into some common pitfalls you might encounter. Just like any adventure, real estate investing has its own set of challenges. Knowing these can save you from costly mistakes. Being aware of these pitfalls can help you dodge those expensive errors and make smarter choices. First up, overpaying for a property. This is a classic rookie mistake. I remember my first investment, I almost overpaid because I fell in love with the place. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Stay objective, do your homework, check out comparable sales, neighborhood trends, and future development plans. Second, underestimating expenses. Think about all the costs, repairs, maintenance, property taxes, insurance, and even vacancy rates. I once forgot to budget for a new roof, and it ate into my profits. Third, ignoring tenant screening. Trust me, a bad tenant can be a nightmare. Screen your tenants thoroughly to avoid evictions, property damage, and legal issues. A good tenant makes all the difference. And finally, neglecting property management. Keeping your property in good shape is key to happy tenants and good returns. Regular maintenance, quick responses to tenant issues, and clear communication are crucial. If you can't handle it, consider hiring a professional property manager. By being aware of these pitfalls and taking proactive steps, you can boost your chances of success in real estate investing. Stay informed, stay objective, and stay diligent. Let's talk about the long game building wealth through real estate. Real estate investing is like planting a tree. It takes time, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine owning properties that not only pay for themselves, but also put extra cash in your pocket. First up, passive income. Think of rental properties as your personal ATM. They generate consistent cash flow, giving you financial stability and freedom. Next, appreciation. Remember that house your grandparents bought for a fraction of today's prices? Real estate values tend to increase over time, building equity and wealth. Then, there are the tax advantages. As a real estate investor, you can enjoy various tax deductions like mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. It's like having a financial safety net. And don't forget, real estate is a great hedge against inflation. As prices rise, so do property values and rental income, keeping your investments safe. By focusing on these long-term benefits, you can create a solid foundation for financial security and even pass on wealth to future generations. Imagine the pride of handing down a legacy of prosperity. Let's dive into my personal journey with real estate investing. It all started with a modest duplex. I remember feeling both excited and nervous as I signed the papers. There were definitely some sleepless nights, especially during renovations, but seeing the transformation was incredibly rewarding. The passive income has been a game changer. It gave me the freedom to work from home, spend more time with my family, and even travel. Real estate investing isn't just about the money. It's about taking control of your future and making your dreams a reality. It's a long-term game. It's about building steady wealth and creating a legacy for your family. Trust me, it's worth it. So, are you ready to dive into your real estate journey? Now that you've got a handle on the basics, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get started. Begin by diving deeper into your education, and don't be shy about connecting with local real estate pros. I remember my first networking event. It was nerve-wracking but so worth it. Explore open houses and analyze listings in your area. I found my first deal just by being curious and persistent. The first step is always the hardest, but trust me, it's also the most rewarding. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and never stop learning. Your future self will thank you. Let's talk about unlocking your financial future. Real estate investing can truly transform your financial life. Imagine owning a property that not only appreciates in value, but also generates rental income. It's a tried and true way to build wealth, create passive income, and secure your financial future. I remember my first investment. It was a small duplex, and the rental income helped me pay off my student loans. Take that first step today and start your journey towards financial freedom. Whether it's a single-family home or a multi-unit property, every investment counts. What about you? Have you thought about diving into real estate investing? Share your questions or comments below. Let's get the conversation started.